Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the S2 Big Sky Series 36x42mm dot reticle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 63020. It features a 36 magnification. The objective diameter is 42 millimeters. Your eye relief is 3.7 inches. It does have a dot reticle. The click value is 1/8 of an inch. Your field of view is 3.1 feet. The length is 15.55 inches. And the weight is 17.3 ounces. It does feature a 1-inch tube. It comes in a matte black finish. It has target style knobs. The knobs are resettable. The windage and elevation travel is 40. Your minutes per revolution is 10. It comes with a sunshade and lens covers. The minimum focus is 10 yards. And it does feature an adjustable objective. It comes with your lens cleaning cloth and your manufacturer instruction booklet. And it does come with the sunshade. And here's your sunshade. Here's your lens cover. It is a flip-up style lens cover. You just slide it on your eyepiece and your objective pieces. Again, you have your tactical style resettable windage and elevation knobs. And again, they are 1/8 of an inch. Click value. It does have a dot reticle. And again, this has been an unboxing video for the S2 Big Sky Series 36x42mm dot reticle rifle scope made by Sightron, manufacturer number 63020.